Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best product reviews in the market. Today, we've got something exciting for all the nail art lovers out there. We'll be talking about the MEFA Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light, a comprehensive nail kit that's been making waves in the world of DIY manicures.
Stick around because you won't want to miss this.
Let's dive right into it, shall we? Inside the box, you'll find a 48W quick-drying LED lamp, 32 stunning 7ml gel polish colors, a base coat, a matte top coat, a glossy top coat, and an array of manicure tools to make your nail art journey a breeze. From nail files to cuticle oil pens, this kit has it all. One of the standout features of this kit is the incredible variety of nail polish colors. With 32 shades ranging from classic nudes to bold purples and blues, you'll have endless options to express your style.
Whether you're into timeless elegance or daring trends, MEFA has got you covered.
Now, let's talk about the 48W nail lamp. This powerful LED lamp is designed for rapid curing, ensuring your nails dry quickly without compromising your skin's health. It even has 3 adjustable timer settings, so you can choose the perfect curing time for your needs. The MEFA Gel Nail Polish is formulated with a special blend that's gentle on your nails while offering remarkable longevity. You can expect up to 28 days of wear without chipping, fading, or yellowing. Say goodbye to frequent touch-ups. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is designed to cater to all skill levels. With the easy-to-use nail brush and user-friendly instructions, you'll achieve salon-quality results right in the comfort of your own home.
But wait, there's more.
MEFA also includes colorful rhinestones, nail glitter flakes, and other decorations to take your nail art to the next level. The possibilities are endless, and you'll have a blast experimenting with different designs.
And here's the icing on the cake. The MEFA Gel Nail Polish Kit makes for a perfect gift choice.
Whether it's Christmas, Valentine's Day, a birthday, anniversary, or Mother's Day, this kit is a thoughtful and versatile present that any nail enthusiast would love.
So, there you have it, folks.
The MEFA Gel Nail Polish Kit with UV Light, the ultimate nail art solution for salon-quality manicures in the comfort of your home. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on this fantastic kit. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more amazing products like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Product Critique.
Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay fabulous.